How to use Claude CLI. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your browser and just like that in the search bar, search for Claude.ai. Now, sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you will arrive at the main Cloud chat interface. Now, Claude CLI is designed to help you work with coding tasks, terminal commands, automation, and development workflow using AI. In the browser, you can simply type in your request in the chat box. For example, you can ask Claude to write a code, explain commands, debug errors, and even generate script or even help build small project. You can even tap on this plus icon to upload files or paste code directly in the chat. This is especially useful if you are working with larger code files or troubleshooting errors. To get best results, you can try being specific with the prompts. Instead of saying fix my code, explain what the code should do and what problem you're having. You can even continue the conversation naturally, ask follow-up questions, request improvement, or have Claude rewrite code in different programming language. Another useful feature is that Claude remembers the current conversation context, which makes longer coding sessions much smoother. Now, if you later want more integrated experience, you can even install the Claude desktop app or connect Claude to CLI directly to your development environment. But for most people, the browser version is the easiest and quickest way to get started. That's the beginner guide to use Claude. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.